Hi everyone, so I wanted to make a quick video on empirical versus non-empirical journal articles when looking for them online or in the Nichols library catalog. So basically an empirical article is a research-based article. It's when researchers are having a theory or a hypothesis or research questions they're trying to answer. They are much longer than practitioner-based articles, and they're also more difficult to read because they will go through the methodology of how the study was conducted and how they analyzed the data, and most importantly, the conclusions for other people who are looking at the same type of topics. So when you go to the Nichols website and you click on databases, you may have to sign in if you're off campus. If you're on campus, you should not have to. So I am going to go down here to the database that's called PsycInfo. This is definitely not my favorite database, but I want to show you something cool about this. So if I type in education and technology, down here you can go to publication type, you can go to a peer-reviewed journal, click search, and then on the left hand side, where was it? Under methodology, you can click on empirical study. So you can bet, I'm sure there are some flaws, you can bet that 95% of these are empirical studies, and you can search them that way. So, problem with that is not all education publications are in that database. So if we go back to my favorite, Eric, type in the same thing, you don't have the same fields, but we can get close. So watch here, publication type. I'm going to go to a journal article. Now this can be any journal article. It could be a practitioner or an empirical article. Then we're going to go to peer-reviewed. Now I'm going to say probably 70% of peer-reviewed articles are empirical articles. You're just going to have to look to see what you think. So let's go to an example and see what we think. So we'll say that this one is a 7-page article, and in the abstract it says that the study aimed to determine views. That means it is an empirical article. When we go to the full text, if I can see, so I downloaded the full text of that article that we just did the abstract for, and you can see that there's usually a format to empirical articles. They usually start with an introduction, then they usually go into a literature review, then they usually go into methodology, then data collection and data analysis and findings. So you can tell that this is in fact a research study and therefore an empirical article. Hope this helped. Y'all have a great day.